Hey guys, this is Night Gaming 23 and today I will teach you guys out there how to make a working rocket ship for Minecraft 1.5.0.4 or other versions that have pistons and sticky pistons. So first we will get the slime block of quartz, observer, piston, and the sticky piston. So first, we will put 3 observers that were near over there, and then we will put 6 slime blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to this part of the layer of the upper part. So and then we will get the observer and we will put it over here in this slime block under it, and then we will put the stick piston over here and remove this slime block. Oh no, I forgot piston. Put the piston on the observer. Now we will put slime blocks beside the stick piston, the observer here. Then there, it's finished. Now what you want to do is to put a block of quartz over here, and then it's finished. So now we will put a block of quartz here. There, it's a working it's a working rocket ship, not working elevator. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, now we will ride in this rocket ship. There. So goodbye guys. Please subscribe and like for my more new videos of Night Gaming 23. John Cena!